Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Alyssa and I have this YouTube channel that I don't regularly post on and I'm trying to be better at it because you know, y'all deserve better. For today's video, I wanted to try something that I really want to try. So today I will be trying to ride a skateboard. Let me tell you, doing things as an amputee is not easy, and it's time that we branch out, broaden our horizons for what we can and can't do. So I'm gonna try skateboarding today. I've dabbled in the skateboarding world a little bit, but not to like the extent that like I know what I'm doing or like am good at it or anything like that. So we're gonna be amazing. I'm even wearing like a skateboarding shirt, so I'm like official. I don't know how this is gonna go. I decided to wear, can't see it, but I decided to wear pants today. So in case I like fall, I don't get total like road rash on my leg, like doing it with the hoverboard did. But I don't have a helmet, so hopefully I don't land on my head like I almost did with the hoverboard. You know, I feel like a skateboard is gonna be a lot safer than a hoverboard, like just personally, like, you know. But we're gonna see how this goes. I have no idea. It's already like 77 degrees outside. I don't know why I'm like sweating already. I've barely like been out here. But yeah, we have a few things to figure out with the skateboard, which I will take you along with. But this is just what we're doing today, and everyone driving by is just giving me really weird looks. Wow, that guy's driving by really fucking slow. Can I help you? All right. Anyways, we're just gonna get right on to it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. You can follow me on all of my social medias right there. I think it's all pretty much Alyssa because like that's like my brand. That's me, and you know, all that stuff. Now there's a person walking their dog staring at me, so this is amazing. Oh, now there's more people walking their dogs staring at me. Wow, now's the time that everyone's walking their dogs. All right, well, you know what? This makes me so nervous. Wow, it's so hot. All right, well, that's it for the intro. They're literally staring at me and they're like, what the fuck is she doing? Just talking to a camera. Hey, you know what? We're all trying to make money here and make a living. So you do you, I'll do me. Gucci, Gucci. Look at all people with dogs. I want a dog. I want a dog so bad. Do I get a dog? No. No, I don't. Alright. Anyways, I guess we will start. Okay. So I think the first thing to figure out when riding a skateboard is what foot I'm going to push with and what foot I'm not going to push with. I thought about this a little bit and I'm like thinking that I will push with my left foot, which is my real leg, just because like I'll have like more strength there, but that means I have to kind of like balance on my prosthetic. So hopefully I don't like die in the process. I could balance with my left foot and then push with my prosthetic, but I feel like I get too tired too easily and then like sweat and stuff. So we're gonna test both out and just like see how it goes, you know? I don't know. I just don't want to like get in the way of anyone like driving or walking their dogs or anything like that. So that's that. Wow, I'm really tired. It's like, okay, it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, but I've been up since like 6. So here we are. And the sun is like right in my eyes too. So I'm just, it's Sunday. It's a day. Okay. There's like a lot of people on about, oh, that guy's back. That's creepy. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, he's giving me a weird look. He's giving me a weird look. Just let me be. See, this is why, I don't know. Alright, I'm just stalling now. That's all I'm doing. Stalling the inevitable. Okay, we're just gonna get going. Try this. Alright, well you can't really see me because the sun is like super freaking harsh, but fluffy like that. Oh, maybe that could actually work a little bit better. Okay, there we go. We are going to get started and figure this out. Okay, anyways. This is a lot harder than it seems like. I'm getting hot. But I think I'm getting the hang of it. The thing is like when I go, I don't want to put my left foot like facing like this way. I want to like kind of keep it straight so when I like push again I can balance myself. So that's really interesting to figure out. Almost need like a bigger board, you know? Turning on this thing? Okay, so I'll say turning the freaking skateboard is really, really hard. And then like, I feel like when I first start, like I want to give like a big like push or whatever, but like that's not smart, you know? That's not smart at all. Like I just gotta like take it easy. I'm gonna reposition you. Hold up. Alright, you're no longer in front of my garage, but I'm trying to like stay in this like little like nook area, I guess. So figured might as well. Getting all sweaty. But I think I'm kind of getting the hang of it just a little bit. I'm nervous to try standing with my prosthetic, you know? Trying to do this thing is a nightmare. Even just like a little bit. Creepy guy. Don't know how to stop it. Like it just goes. I think I'm getting the hang of it. I just don't know how to turn or anything. It's too. But then I lean too far. And that's as close to death as I would like to get today. I think I did pretty good. I feel like I need like a longboard or something, you know? I want to buy one of those like ghost longboards, so it might be in another video. Really hot though. So I'm gonna call it quits for today. But I think I did a pretty good job. I just don't know how to turn. And when I want to like push off again after like already going, I like butcher. But you know what? It's not like I'm gonna be riding a skateboard everywhere, right? Obviously, no. That's what cars and legs are for. But it was a good experiment, and at least I know I can like ride one. Not like effectively, but I can ride one. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I didn't land on my head or anything like that, so that's a bonus for sure. Yeah, stay tuned for next week. Let me know what else y'all want me to try. I am up for anything. Thank you again for watching. I hope this brought you a little bit of entertainment. Will I keep practicing? I honestly don't know. I don't want to die. So yeah, that's that. And it's getting hot here in Texas. If you can see my face radiating, glistening, glowing, all that stuff. So I'm gonna peace out. Oh my god, the sun is like literally right there. But hey, you can't see my face. I'm peace out. I hope you guys have an amazing freaking week. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting me and all that stuff. Bye!